Hello guys, so on my back you can see this is a tom back compressor. So the function of the tom back compressor is this: you put the tom back in there because inside of the tom back there might be some cakings from the inside. Therefore, the function of the tom back compressor using the hydraulic device is to loosen the materials inside of the tom back to make sure it can be flow freely into the discharging port and then to be crushed or either to be precisely backed. So if we take a look in here, you can see this is the control cabinet. It is made of stainless steel with buttons on it. So you can see this is the starting of the hydraulic pump, and then this one is the, the emergency stop buttons. Yep. And then this is the motor. So if we take a look in here, you can see in terms of the structures of the tom back crusher, you can see that these are the columns, carbon steel columns that are installed there for compressing the tom back. And then on the bottom, there is a grizzlies on the bottom that, you know, after the tom back being compressed, there will be the material will be discharged from the grizzlies down below. And then this is a base frame. So this tom back crusher will be closing up like this to loosen up the materials inside of the tom back, and so that the material can be flow freely down to the grizzlies. So we actually have two sections here, 1 and 2. Yep. So actually there's 3 today, 1 and 2 and 3. Yep. Thank you guys.